Let's touch
warm.
Yeah, I know. I thought they'd be a little bit warmer.
Nah. I love backseat demos.
I guess it's just, you know.
Woo! Claustrophobic.
How was that though? Let me see that video though.
What's going on, guys? EJ John here. I know it's been a while. I've been really busting my ass with school, the car, getting ready for SBN coming up in 2 weeks. But we're back on the grind. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And don't forget, I'll catch you guys at SBN.